Hey guys, it's Abby, and today I have a new box for you. This is called Create the Life You Dream. It's right here. And it is a personal development box. The box is $44.97 a month. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about this box because I think it's actually really cool. I don't see very many boxes like this, if not any boxes like this. And it's not just, you don't just get the box, you actually get a whole bunch of other stuff. So I'm gonna read you a little bit about this box. I have a piece of paper right here that tells a little bit about the box. So it says, Dear Abby, thank you so much for accepting to review my new box. It means a lot to me and I truly hope you will enjoy the content. I am a certified health and life coach. I started this business just a month ago. This is the first box to be able to help and motivate more women to work on themselves and achieve their goals. Create the Life You Dream is a box designed to bring a full experience to members, just like a life coaching session, but way cheaper. The value of the box is not only in the items included in the box, but also in the online platform that members get access to when they sign up, and the private Facebook group for book discussions. I partnered with 12 amazing health and life coaches that every month will bring incredible value and support to members and offer free coaching session workshops, ebooks, etc. And I think that's really awesome. I think that's amazing. I think that there comes a time in all of our lives where we're trying to just figure life out, and to be able to have help to figure life out is amazing. I've been in many spots in my life where I just had no idea what I was doing, and I still have no idea what I'm doing. So I think it's great. I think that it's a wonderful idea, and I wish them all the success. So I'm going to open up the box and let you guys see what's inside here. So when you open it up, it looks like this. And it says, hello beautiful, guess what time it is? It's time to start creating the life of your dreams. Flip the card to find the list of all the goodies we stuffed this box with. Here is the card. And all right, so the first thing I see is this, and this is a Yo Soy candle. I am brave, cucumber, wasabi, cilantro. What? It's 100% all-natural soy wax, hand-poured in Portland, Oregon. Burn time is 15 to 20 hours. That's amazing for this little candle. And the net weight is 4 ounces. Let me smell this. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this smells like summer. You ever like go to the farmer's market and you get like hit in the face with all the smells of the fruit and the vegetables? That's what it smells like. So here is the candle. And this candle is $12, and this says it's a Yo Soy candle. I am brave, 4 ounce. A surprisingly delicious blend of grapefruit and lime mixed with herbal citrus and a subtle bite of wasabi at the base. This invigorating fragrance inspires you to take a giant leap and fearlessly take action. All right, that's cool. I love getting candles, and this smell, I've never had a candle smell like this way before. The next two things are these, and these are bath bombs, and my whole entire family loves bath bombs. One is LB Love, and one is LB Zen, and they look like this. This says 2 LB aromatherapy bath bombs, handmade with 100% natural organic ingredients. The exquisite scents of these aromatic bath bombs will delight your sense of smell, while enjoying the healing effects of a spa-like experience right in the comfort of your home. And they retail for $7.99. I can't really smell what they smell like inside, and I'm not gonna like pierce the plastic, but I love bath bombs. Scarlett and Dahlia will be happy. And how cute are the colors? Red and blue. Okay, the next thing is this, and this is Days Will Be Better. And this is Days Will Be Better Travel Pouch. A convenient pouch to carry with you on those days when you feel a little down, to remind you that no matter how sad, nervous, overwhelmed, or stressed out you may feel, everything will pass and better days will come. And this retails for $5.99. Oh, that's so cute. I need a Days Will Be Better sleeping bag so I can jump in there and just sleep in there when I'm feeling anxious like today. Okay, the next thing is this. And this is, oh, I think it's a bracelet. It's a lava stone with blue agate bracelet. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. Okay. Here is the bracelet. Lava stone is, this is by, I can't pronounce the jewelry. It's G-O-G-H. So I can't. I don't want to be disrespectful and say their name wrong, but it's G-O-G-H Jewelry Design. It retails for $29 and it says lava stone with blue agate bracelet. So here we go. Lava stone is excellent for calming. Lava stone is excellent for calming emotions thanks to grounding qualities. It is thought to symbolize rebirth and aid in releasing emotional baggage. Blue agate attracts strength, protects from bad dreams, and alleviates stress by reducing energy drains. I'm gonna wear it right now. Yes, I am. Oh, that's pretty. That's different. That's like a very different bracelet. I like that a lot. Okay. All right, and oh, there's more stuff in here. So we have a free ebook. The Hormone Puzzle ebook is right here. A recipe guide to decoding hormones and infertility naturally by health and wellness coach Kayla Smith. So here she is. So we get a free ebook. You are loved massively, ferociously, unconditionally. The universe is totally freaking out about how awesome you are. It's got you wrapped in a warm gorilla hug of adoration. It wants to give you everything you desire. It wants you to be happy. It wants you to see what it sees in you. Jen Sincero. Oh, these are 2 inspirational quote postcards and they retail for $3. So here's this one. No matter how clueless you may feel right now, pay attention to suggestions and opportunities that suddenly present themselves. Take the first step in the direction towards something that feels right and see where it leads you, and do it now. Jen Sincero. So these are the 2 postcards you get. Then you get a bookmark, and the bookmark is $5, and the day came when the risk to remain tight in a bud was more painful than the risk it took to blossom. So here you go. And then there's this, and this is the book's life lessons summary card. So this is just a summary of what the book has, or what the book is talking about, which I think is really cool. And then here's the book. #1 New York Times bestseller, 2 million copies sold. You are a badass. How to Stop Doubting Your Greatness and Start Living an Awesome Life, Jen Sincero. That's really cool. In this refreshingly entertaining how-to guide, best-selling author and world-traveling success coach Jen Sincero serves up 27 bite-sized chapters full of hilariously inspiring stories, sage advice, easy exercises, and the occasional swear word, helping you to identify and change the self-sabotaging beliefs and behaviors that stop you from getting what you want. Create a life you totally love and create it now. Make some damn money already, the kind you've never made before. By the end of You Are a Badass, you'll understand why you are, how to love what you can't change, how to change what you don't love, and how to use the force to kick some serious ass. So here's the book. And there are 253 pages of this book. I love the way new books smell. It smells so good. This is going to be a great book for me to read. I have so many things that I want to work on for myself. Procrastination, just procrastination is one of my biggest ones. So I have a lot of things that I'd like to work on about myself. So I'll definitely read this. I'll definitely join the Facebook groups that they're talking about and check it out and see what everything is all about. I think this is a great book for anyone that is trying to figure out what they want to do. I think that all of us struggle with that sometimes. We all think to ourselves, this is not the life I wanted. This is not the life I want. And you want to just change some things in your life. So I think that this is I think this was great. You got a lot of stuff in here, as well as the access to the private Facebook group for book discussions and support, access to your members area, and members giveaways for a chance to get your next box free. I think, oh, you also get the hormone puzzle ebook. There was a lot of stuff in this box, not necessarily in the box, but there's a lot of stuff you can get outside this box as well. And the fact that that she partnered with 12 amazing health and life coaches that will bring incredible value and support to members and offer free coaching sessions, workshops, and ebooks. I mean, I think that's really awesome. I hope that there's some of you that want to take advantage of this. I think that all of us could use a little bit of help here and there. You know, no one's perfect. Our lives aren't perfect. We all struggle with something. So, all right, guys, what did you think about this box? I thought it was really good. I think it's a really good feel-good box. I think that, like I said, everybody could use a little help now and then. Let me know what you thought about this box in my comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll make sure to link it in my description box so you can go check it out for yourselves. And I hope everyone's having a really great day. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys so very much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.